Hi everyone, I am Balasubramanian.
I am Dipesh.
I am Ranjit.
We are from Sri Rama Vidya Kendra, Kalladka, Karnataka, and we are participating in 8-year Space Challenge. We are thanking Atal Innovation Mission for giving us this opportunity. We have selected the theme Inhabit Space. Why we have selected this theme is because we are very much interested in 3D habitat modeling and also interested in 3D printing.
Since the environmental conditions varies from planet to planet, it is difficult to give the idea of entire space. So, we have selected the planet Mars. So, a 3D structure called Rashma. Let us study about the planet Mars and the challenges faced in the planet Mars. Mars is a red planet which is 141 million miles away from the Sun. Mars is having thin atmosphere which is consisting 95% of carbon and 2.7% of nitrogen. Mars has a very big gravity. Gravity on Mars is 37% less than of Earth. Mars is a terrestrial planet because it is having hard and rocky surface. Mars has a northern and southern poles like Earth. Challenges faced in planet Mars: environmental challenges, temperature, harmful radiations, oxygen, water and pressure. Construction challenges, material supply and human resources. The average temperature on Mars is -81 degree Fahrenheit and it ranges up to 220 degree Fahrenheit in winter and it goes about 70 degree Fahrenheit in summer. Radiation exposure on the surface is 30 Simon per hour during solar minutes. The space radiation triggers cancer and causes damage to the central nervous system. Mars is having low atmosphere, but it has 100 times thinner than the atmosphere of Earth. Mars atmosphere is dominated by carbon dioxide. It has a very little oxygen of only 0.13% compared with the Earth. Mars does have an atmosphere, but it is 100 times thinner than of Earth atmosphere. Mars atmosphere is dominated by carbon dioxide. It has a very little oxygen. It has only 0.13% of oxygen compared to Earth. Water. Some liquid water is present in the surface of the planet Mars and limited traces of moisture is present in the Mars. Atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is average 600 pascals and about 0.6% of Earth's main sea level pressure. Construction. There is no possibility of constructing a building like in Earth. A human resource can be constructed for construction. Bulky construction materials cannot be transported from Earth. So, this is our 3D model Rashma.
So, in order to make this Rashma 3D model habitable in Mars, we should achieve some objectives which are vital for human survival. The objectives are: first, solar and cosmic radiations on Mars. We know that the solar and cosmic radiations on Mars are higher than Earth. To survive, we should first need a habitat that can provide protection from the extreme environment. The temperature variations on Mars is so unstable, so we should use the materials which can withstand these temperature variations. As we know, for a living creature's survival, we need oxygen. We should create oxygen in Mars. And we know as the Mars atmosphere pressure is very low, we should also create pressure to survive. Energy needs should be satisfied in Mars, so energy creation is also needed. So, methods of construction. So, we have to completely avoid human resources because it is nearly impossible to use human. So, we are going to use artificial intelligence for construction. A multi-axis 3D printer with use of a suitable material can be used. This would be easier and convenient than any other method of construction. So, which material are we going to use in Mars? The material is regolith, which is easily available on Mars. This material is Martian soil. The surface of Mars is covered by sand and dust formed by the erosion of iron-rich igneous rocks which are similar to basalt. This material is known as regolith. This material can be coarse or fine. Hypothetical aggregate building material similar to concrete formed by Mars regolith that would reduce the construction cost of building on the Mars can be used. So, the shape of Rashma. The shape of Rashma is frustum. As you can notice, it is a frustum of cone. So, why this frustum of cone is selected for Rashma? It is an ideal shape for a 3D printer because it has no sharp edges. It is a very gentle, predictable and safe shape to build. So, as I told, oxygen is very essential need of living creatures. So, how are we going to create oxygen in Mars? As NASA's Perseverance rover created oxygen from splitting carbon dioxide into its components, we are going to use the same technology here. The rover splits carbon dioxide molecules into their component parts, which can create about 10 minutes worth of breathable oxygen. The water is another necessity. So we know that Mars has water vapors present in atmosphere. So we are condensing the water from water vapor. So for the energy needs, we are using solar panels which synthesizes the energy of sun to form electricity. So as I told you, the pressure is another challenge. So to create pressure inside our habitat, we should blow a balloon inside this structure to create pressure. Astronaut can live inside that pressurized area. So the next thing is radiation. Radiation is emitted from celestial bodies to Mars. So we are going to use titanium alloy coating and lead component coating below this. This will help the habitat to protect the astronauts from the external radiations. The interior of habitat is pressurized by blowing balloon, and the balloon is designed in such a way that the floors are divided and each floor is specified for an astronaut's use. We have developed this 3D model using Tinker 3D modeling program. Shelters basic printout of recyclable material called PLA. Polylactic acid. It is a plant-based biodegradable plastic, easiest material to print, unconcerned about having exact print settings. The temperatures are flexible, warping is minimal, and there is no strong print orders. So, in our 3D model, Rashma, we have a solar panel for creating electricity and a mirror for skylight and rocket docking port. So, our model, Rashma, overcomes all challenges of Mars as a habitat, and this may be the future. However, we have a long journey to Mars. Thank you.